Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill for any designer or Figma user: how to quickly add icons to your Figma projects using Font Awesome. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find and insert high-quality icons and logos right into your designs. No more fumbling with downloads or file imports. If you're ready to make your workflow easier and your designs sharper, let's get started. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to open up your Figma file where you want to add the icons. Now, to access Figma's built-in tools, look toward the bottom center of your workspace for the Quick Action menu. You can also press Ctrl+K on your keyboard as a shortcut. This brings up a handy search bar that saves you a bunch of clicks. It's like the command center for your Figma project. Take a second to get comfortable with this. You'll find yourself using it for all sorts of quick actions as you get further into Figma. Once you've got the Quick Action menu open, type in Font Awesome. If you haven't explored Font Awesome before, it's basically a giant free library of popular icons and brand logos. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of icon packs. As soon as it pops up in your search, go ahead and select it. Figma will open up the Font Awesome plugin interface right inside your project. From here, you'll see a search bar within the plugin window, along with a whole collection of preloaded icons. This is where the magic happens. If you know exactly which icon you're after, maybe a social media logo, a heart, or anything else, just start typing in a keyword. For example, typing Twitter instantly brings up that familiar bird logo. But if you're feeling indecisive or just want to browse for inspiration, you can also scroll through the available icons. Sometimes seeing the visual options can help spark ideas for your design. And don't worry, all these icons are vector-based, which means they'll stay crisp and clear no matter how much you resize them. When you find the icon that works for your project, simply click on it. Figma will instantly drop it onto your canvas. You can move it, resize it, or even change its color to fit your color scheme. If you ever change your mind, you can easily delete it and choose a different one. There's absolutely no risk. This process is a huge time saver compared to searching the web, downloading SVGs, and uploading them to Figma manually. No more worrying about file types, copyright issues, or messy organization. Just search, click, and go, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've upgraded your Figma project with professional, easy-to-use icons from Font Awesome. It's a small step that can make a big difference in both your workflow and your final designs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and effective design tips just like this. Got questions or maybe a request for another tutorial? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.